How's it going, everybody? It's Emil. Today we're going to be going over CIF bond analyzers. So it's been quite a bit of time since the last video I posted. Lots been going on. So CBA serves as a helpful tool for analyzing CIF files. It gives you heat map visualizations of site compositions, bond length histograms, bond pair analyses. And it's open source, obviously. It's on GitHub like all the other projects we work on. We use it on this paper you hear back in IMMI. You can find some more information uh, regarding the editor's video summary. Dr. Taylor Sparks did a great uh, video speaking about this and their work in general. So let's get into this a little bit. You can see there's a variety of different analyses options, a lot of different outputs. It's all been done very well by Bob, and well, let's go through the installation procedure, right? So um, we will open up Terminal if you're using Mac. Otherwise, it would be PowerShell if you're using Windows, right? So I'll make this much more bigger and go through it one at a time. So all you have to do, just copy this entire block. Actually, that's not true. Let's change our directory to desktop. We'll do this. Now we will change our directory to CIF bond analyzer that was in our desktop. Install requirements. However, I'm gonna activate one of my Conda environments. And now I have all those packages nice and neatly organized there. You could install requirements. Mine are going to be pretty much all installed. And then just Python main.py. Just like that. And then I believe there should be some demo files here. Let's just select conduct site analysis. Do you want to run each folder above sequentially? So that means it'll run this folder of 9 and this folder of 234. So I'll just, for this, I'll just select no. We'll just work on one. Would you like to include nested CIF files in each folder above? Yes. To be honest, I sort of forgot what that means, but it's okay. The default is yes, and I guess we'll find out. So the histograms are all saved. Where are they? Okay, so we're working with the barium titanium oxygen. Now you can see the folder with output. This is everything what we've got so far. We have a single histogram with barium oxide, titanium oxide. You can see the average distance between the two. And of course, you're going to be able to see, that's a site pair. And then you have the element pair as well. And it also gets you in a variety of different formats. You have Excel, site pairs, and element pairs, and you have the JSON output as well. And you can see it's full occupancy, distances are there, the file name is there, the average with the standard deviation is printed on the bottom. You have a summary element, all the pairs, the distances, missing pairs. So it's very helpful. It's very helpful. So now let's do option 2. We'll do a system analysis. It looks like it's available folders containing 2 or 3 unique elements. Yeah. Bond fractions? No. Sure. So it looks like it speeds it up if you've already done option 1. Now we'll go to system analysis. Is that here? Yes, here it is. Okay, so we have all these PNG files here. You could get, maybe some of them are not helpful, obviously, in the case of this, with the titanium oxide sites, but, gives you a variety of different information. If you have a lot of, if you're going over an entire structure type, like maybe tin, nickel, silicone, you're going to get quite a variety of different just because of how vast the system is. But there you go. And then you have individuals. You also have the Excel file over here, ternary right over here. So it's very helpful again. Now, final thing we got here is option 3. That's going to be coordination analysis. No, just give me folder 1. Sure. Ooh, out of bounds. Okay, let's redo that with option 2. Not sure why it's out of bounds. Could have been a problematic CIF file, but you never know. Alright, so we prepared the CN coordination number connections over under the coordination folder. Here's the coordination connections and the right over here. So you can see this is sort of splits it up based on your pairs here. Very much in depth. So it goes pretty much as you want it to go. And that's, yeah, so JSON as well as the Excel file, and that's pretty much the gist of it. So it does all the pre-processing, all the relevant information that you could possibly need is all right here. And I pretty much just covered a high level explanation. Do this and so on and so forth. So again, any questions, feel free to comment or email me. A handful of you have reached out, which is nice. And that's pretty much it.